Toycrafters! Today we are opening the Play-Doh Playful Pie set. Ooh, look at these delicious looking pies. Might be cherry or strawberry. Guess it could be whatever you want. Ooh, we get to roll and make molds. Ooh, let's get started. Ooh, let's see what we've got. Ooh, ooh. We've got all our little bits ready, and I think I'm gonna make a super pie. We can make apples and strawberries and a giant fruit bowl thing. I think some blueberries and raspberries. Gonna make some strawberries for our pie. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, 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 yum. Strawberry pie. Ooh. Go, a little strawberry. Pop that in there. Let's make some raspberries. Let's make an apple. Yum, yum, yum. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Woohoo! Or maybe it's a cherry. Guess it can be whatever you want. Yum, 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 yum. Now let's make a bunch of blueberries. Yum, 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 yum. Ta-da! Look at all my blueberries. Ooh, yummy, yummy, yum, 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 yum. Now let's add a couple blackberries. Ooh, yummy, yum, yum. Yummy, yum, gonna eat some pie, gonna eat some pie. Eat some pie, eat some pie. Pie! Now let's make our pie crust. Right, now, ooh, we've got lots of dough, lots of dough. Let's cut it. Let's cut it into strips. Whoop. Right, now let's put it on all of our berries. Yum, 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 yum. Ooh, just pile it on there, pile it on there. Oh, yes. Oh, yummy. This is a sloppy, crazy pie. Let's pack in our icing. Okay, we are ready to put our delicious whipped cream on our pie. Ooh. Oh, look, it comes out in a little star shape. A little star shape. Ooh, very frosty. There we go, Toycrafters, our delicious pie. I'm going to be eating this after I'm done. I can't wait. I hope you enjoyed making this Play-Doh Playful Pie set with me. Don't forget to like our video and click the circle on the right and then hit the red button to subscribe to see more videos. Stay silly, Toycrafters. Never grow up. Bye, 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 bye.